Okay, now it's time for the first exercise, and in the geospatial data quality module. Our task here is to estimate the completeness of a currency, that is rate of missing items of the database. And we have the database here. It's consists of a number of point features, and we can see that they are ordered in sequence from 1, and there are up to quite many point features, 2000 point features, and they are recorded as ID, feature type, and then XY set. Then we have, in the second worksheet, we have the ground truth. That is detailed checker measurements that we've been carrying out in the region 10,000 to 11,000 for X, and Y is between 50 and 51,000. And they are also ordered in sequence here. The first thing we have to do now is to extract the point features that are from the database that are included in this region. So I suggest that we create a new worksheet, and we copy all the point features to this one, and then we call this extraction. And now we should extract all or delete all features that are outside this area. So the easiest way to do this is to do some kind of Visual Basic programming. But I will not do that right now. Instead, I will do this manually. It will be a little bit of work, but what I aim to do is to set up a number of conditions here. That is conditions. The first condition is that if I use the selection if, the om in Swedish, om is equal to if in English. If the x value is larger than 10,000, then this will be a 1, otherwise it will be a 0, like this. And the next condition is that if the x value is less than 11,000, then it's a 1, otherwise it will be a 0. And you see here that since it's larger than 11,000, it is a 0. And we do the same thing for the y coordinate. If the y value is larger than 50,000, it's 1, otherwise it's a 0. And the final condition, if the y value is less than 51,000, then it's 1, otherwise it will be a 0. Okay, so we have specified 4 conditions, and all 4 must be true if we should keep this one as in the extracted database. So we just simply multiply these values, and this will be a 0 then, so this one should be deleted. And now we copy this one to for all 2, 3, 4, like this. So And now we can start deleting features from the database that are not included in this extracted region. Scroll down here, and here we find the first one. We select delete rows. Once more, and continue like this for reminder number of elements. This is I would say quite boring work, and as I said, it's much easier if you know Visual Basic programming, for instance, and to do this automatically. But we don't assume that you have any pre-knowledge in Visual Basic programming for this module, so we have to do it the hard way instead. Could also be a good reason for you to learn some basic programming, perhaps. Actually, Visual Basic programming is not that easy, not that hard to learn. Yeah, as I said, quite boring. Perhaps I will pause this recording now and come back when I have finished this work.